Yeah, ndio nimetoka Ushago, and it's so sad. On my way back to Nairobi, I saw the county government of Machakos released their statement stating that this is a calculated political scheme to tarnish the governor's name. And I'm just worried. Sababu mimi naharibia governor jina nikitaka nini? I'm not a politician, just a young man trying to hustle my way up, just doing business. Wamesema hata wengine labda wajaiona kwa county, mara we don't have even documents, we don't have anga what, some you never did what. So these are our documents, na wale wanajua mambo ya LPO. These are fresh LPO. Ukienda hata kwa government ya Machakos, these are public document, you can trace it. They said we never did anything. All I wanted was just to see the governor of Machakos, just to explain to her why her people are not listening to us. We've been in those offices, and it's so sad kusikia mtu anasema hata hajawahi niona kwa hizo ofisi. I've been there back to back. Hakuna ofisi hata sijaingia hiyo county. Nimekuwa hata kwa ofisi ya deputy governor Mr. Francis, ambaye pia tulikaa naye chini nikamwelezea every situation, nikamwambia why it is very urgent for us to get paid, and he listened, na akapiga simu mingi sana, na hata mwenye alipeana tenda akakuja, tuka have a conversation. Now you guys don't know me, I even have receipts that I was there. It is so sad that you are doing it look like a political game. It was just a call for us to see the governor. It was very urgent. Na kitu tulikuwa tunataka kuonea governor, hata tulikuwa tunataka ikuwe public. We just wanted payment na tumuongeleshe hatuelewe na alipe. But now, because we've gone online and maybe we can't be able to access the governor, it is so good. Whatever we wanted to tell the governor, yeye haisikie. Haoni if it was right for us to go to look for her. Maybe she can explain better.
My name is Marie. I'm a fundi. I own a company called Muvata Fashion and Design, and we work with Sandy Kyoko, Sandy Designs, Kyoko Designs. Last year we supplied a tender for uniforms, and we've been waiting to be paid. We supplied everything and we made sure everything was cleared, and even the delivery was stamped. After supplying, Leah started having complications. My health was deteriorating. I got pregnant. I went through CS. I started having a lot of complications. And it is at this time I just told him, please, since you invested in this job and we work together, just follow. We're in a crisis. I am not feeling well. My kids are not okay. The place I stay, I have a notice. My work, we've closed. Nothing is going on for us.
In short, let me just help her. In short, these are my papers. These are our papers. Everything is intact, signed and stamped, even by lawyers. These are our papers. These are our documents that we supplied. She was very sick. We received this tender. 2 weeks to supply. We had to work day and night. She was not okay. She left everything to me. I sat down with my people, we produced everything, and after I was done, nikampatia kila kitu, nikamwambia go give the county, because that is how we work. She went to the county, gave everything, the uniforms, I can see the kanjos wearing them, and then it was time for us to ask for money. She tried her level best. She really tried. At a point she went even to the governor's office, pleading. After 2 weeks of CS, I just called her, nikamwambia kaa nyumbani. Hata kama pesa yangu ndiko hapo, usisikie vibaya. Kaa nyumbani, wacha mimi nijitafutie pesa yangu. I went, explained everything. Every person explained to the county, they were very okay and they understood. Now, because I want help, I just want to see the governor. Now it is a politically calculated scheme. And now I'm worried, asking myself, if I cannot see the governor, every time I want to see the governor, it is politics. Who is supposed to see the governor? Governor, maybe you can see this video. We have all the papers. Every document is here. Your people are misleading you, saying we never did anything. Some are saying the tender was done. We supplied everything. I used almost every shilling that I could. Sometimes even borrowing resources everywhere. She was not okay. I did totally everything. That's why I was following for this money. She's here. She has 15 days to vacate this house. She has a notice of which I'm going to attach. Our car was taken. Our businesses are going down. Even the money that is going to be paid, it won't even make sense to us. It has been incurred a lot of interest. We have nothing to do now. We have nothing to do. Maybe she cannot tell you, but she has a condition. After giving birth, she was supposed to stay at home, upon. Maybe tell them. You know, sometimes it's good, because when we are talking this thing, they are saying it is politics. And all we want is just to be paid and talk.
Yeah, fibroids, and I'm supposed to go for a surgery. Because I don't have resources, I just have to wait until something happens.
This condition, I explained to every person of that county. Her condition. I told her. I told everybody. My struggles can wait. Yes, my business is closing down. We don't even have money. But let her health come first. I wanted to see the governor. Show her everything. She's very needy. That's why I was posting every day. We urgently need help. Sasa kwani mtu anafanya sema aje shwali?